So I filmed a few minutes earlier, but that didn't work out on the vehicle speed sensor. So this is my old one here, which took me a heck of a time to get out. I would give you a tip on this. If you're doing this on a Blazer or Jimmy, have yourself a 1-inch deep well socket, because a 1-inch socket ain't gonna get it done. It's just not enough room. Let the jets go over here. So I put the new one on, and honestly, if I had the right tool, I don't think it would have been that bad. And now we're going to do a little test drive. We got to hook the battery back up. So the symptoms I was having is no speedometer, not shifting out of first gear, and ABS light on. So I'm going to hook everything back up. I'm going to pause you for a minute, and then we're going to take a quick ride and see if anything is fixed.